And good morning, Aloran. Welcome to my video diaries, making videos all year round, capturing moments, making memories, and telling stories. So for today's video, welcome sa ato ang day 2 of vlogging. Mid-year, second day of July 2024. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. It's day 2 of mid-year. Second day of July 2024. Good morning, everyone. It's July. Ayan, it's July 2, 5:37. So you can see, nag-ilaw pa kami kasi actually maliwanag na sa labas pero dito na. And good morning, baby. Yuki. Good morning. Oo naman, good morning. Hi. Good morning. Say good morning to them. Baby. Say good morning. Mayakap na muna ako. Hi. Say good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everybody. Where are you going? Uy. Saan ka pupunta? Say good morning to them, dali na. Okay. Good morning. Uy. Ano yan? Oh, ayan si Yuki. Nasaan ka pupunta? Ay, Yuki. Shh. Naglalambing ka sa akin, baby? Ha? Ano gusto mo pa, ano? Naglalambing ka? Ha? Yuki. Baby, kumain ka na, baby? Kumain ka na? Kumain ka na? Bakit? Ba't mo binubunggo mo camera? July 2, second... Okay, nilambing. Bakit? Bakit? July 2, 2024, day 2 ng daily vlog. Hopefully, maano namin, amin. Good morning, bebe ko. Good morning. Ba't ka nagpapakute yun? Bless. Bless. Ano ba? Bless. Yan, iikot sa kanya yung vlog at naglalambing. Ay? Naglalambing ang baby. Ano, magto 2 years old ka na, baby, sa July. Sa July? Sa December 1. Adult cut na ang baby. Okay. Day 2 of vlogging with Yuki. Good morning. Okay. Ay, talagang nag-lay down na. Nag-lay down. Hala. Nag-lay down at magpapalambing. Mga gagat na naman yan. Yung kagat nito, cat lab eh. Na, baby. Okay. Day 2 of vlogging. Nagpo-purr ka, baby? Ngayon na lang ulit kita narinig mag-purr. Okay. Yan si Yuki. At ito yung bahay namin. No, bebe. Na. Yuki. Wait lang, baby. May tatanggalin lang ako ulit sa ano mo. Sa muta mo. Pinumut. So ayun, napunta na sa kanya lahat ng oras ng pag-vlog. No, baby? Tara, labas tayo, baby. Tara, ilabot natin sila doon. Dali. Shh. Saan ako pupunta? Kain na naman siya. Ito kain siya. So, labas natin. 5:37, 5:40. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everyone. Yun o. Grabe, sobrang simple ng buhay. Hala, hindi pala ako nakapag-intro. So, once again, no? Good morning. Good morning, Aloran. Welcome to my video diaries, making videos all year round, capturing moments, making memories, and telling stories. So, here's our day 2. Napakasimple ng buhay. Bye for now. See you for our 3rd day. Hopefully talaga. Bye everybody. Bye everyone. Ala, kagigising pa lang talaga. So, may uban na ba ako?